difficulties. In light of this, it is essential that we take time to understand the importance of healthy mind, healthy life, cultivating the burden of your mind. So it's not only for ourselves, not only for the student, but also for our peers.
Good morning, ma'am. I agree about what you have just said. Sometimes, as a student, it is difficult for us to stay focused while there are so many ongoing mentally. So, as a student, and since I have been there before, for me, it's difficult for me to balance my academic and my personal life since I came from a lower class family. So, sometimes we lack financially, but and it affects my mental health. So how can we be healthy while dealing all of this?
That's a very important question, Mr. So it will start with recognizing what is the significance of mental health. So it's not all about happiness, it's not all about the stress. So mental health is all about how we think, we feel, and how to manage our emotions and behaviors. So we are here to campaign and we are aiming to foster a culture of awareness and support for mental health here at Northeastern Mindanao State University. So let's talk about what mental health really means. So student at the front, can you what does mental health mean to you?
So, good morning, ma'am. For me, when we say mental health, it is how we take good care of our emotional well-being. So, hindi lang siya basta nakafocus sa mental strength mo, kundi yung overall state of mind natin mo, kung paano natin i-handle yung stress, relationship, and also challenges. So, also it affects on how we deal in our schoolworks and also in our responsibilities in our day-to-day lives. That is mental health for me.
Exactly. Mental health is foundational to how we perform and interact with others. Kaya naman, it's essential for us to recognize the signs of mental health. We should be comfortable in discussing it. So, dili dapat kita uncomfy to open kay our campaign is all about we would like to help na how do you manage your emotions and behavior. As students, we need to understand weaknesses. That's a step toward maintaining a healthy mind. So, understanding the healthy mind and healthy life is very crucial and it's a step forward para sa ato healthy life. Let's focus on how we can address these challenges. For you, how do you manage stress, especially when you feel overwhelmed with academic requirements?
Honestly, ma'am, I try to stay organized, but sometimes when everything piles up, I feel like I cannot catch up and I feel anxious. I feel like sometimes I want everything to shut down.
I understand, and that's a common reaction. However, part of maintaining good health is recognizing when you are feeling overwhelmed and knowing what step to take. In our campaign, we emphasize 3 key strategies. The first one is self-care. The second one is seeking support. And the third one is seeking professional help when needed. Yes? So, how can we practice self-care, ma'am? Good question. Self-care includes activities that help you recharge, whether it's taking a walk, practicing mindfulness, or spending time with loved ones. Time management is also crucial in our mental health. Try to break down tasks into manageable chunks so they don't feel so overwhelming. But also don't hesitate to reach out to others when you need help. So it is important we should always get advice sa atong mga parents or sa atong mga friends na feel natin na safety kita. Let's move on to seeking support. Anong ibig sabihin nito? Have you ever reached out to friends or family when you're feeling stressed?
Ma'am,
Yes, please.
I usually talk to my close friends about it, but sometimes I feel like I'm burdening things. Is that okay?
That's completely understandable. But let me assure you, seeking support from others is never a burden. In fact, when we talk to people we trust, it helps us process our emotions better. And if you feel like you need more than just a conversation, North Eastern Mindanao offers counseling services through our university mental health program. So it's essential to use these resources, and it is important that the professional help is always available and there's no shame in seeking it. So, di tamahadlong mag-open up because North Eastern Mindanao State University and of course kami, nag-gain kami o naghatag kami o kanang safe place para sa inyo. So, as we conclude, I want to remind all of you that maintaining mental health is a continuous process. A healthy mind is essential for success, both academically and personally. Let us commit to taking care of our mental health and supporting each other through challenges we face.
Thank you, Mom. I am definitely going to be more mindful of my mental health and encourage others to seek help when needed.
Yes, it's reassuring to know that there are resources available for us. We're not alone in this.